I recently overhauled the cargo area in my 1966 Dodge Charger. I neglected to take a before photo, but you can tell from this old picture of the back seats that the carpet in the cargo area had faded from black to brown. I first pulled out the plywood cargo door, which was separating in one corner, so I re-glued and clamped the plies back into position. I removed the latches for cleaning and lubrication. I also stripped, repainted, and lubricated the piano hinge. I also removed the big black cargo shelf, peeled off the old carpet, cleaned off the factory glue, and reconditioned the 7 bolts that fasten the piano hinge. Under the cargo shelf I found tarboard, crusty black seam sealer, and random splatters of factory carpet glue, all of which had to go. The faded carpet inserts on the C-pillar interior panels needed replacing, so I pulled them out, thoroughly cleaned them, and glued on new carpet inserts. Meanwhile, I removed the factory seam sealer, which had become brittle with age. Then I deep cleaned all the interior sheet metal and applied Eastwood brushable seam sealer. Look at that big glob of glue or seam sealer. Not sure what it is, but I'm going to take it off. Real squishy, like foam. Unfortunately, I didn't take pictures of the Dynamat that I applied to the fender wells and the axle tunnel, but the whole area beneath the cargo shelf is covered with sound deadening material. Here's that rear cargo lid, and you can see I got some Dynamat peeking through from the fender wells on both sides. And then you can see I replaced the cardboard up in there as well. The factory cardboard was not in the best shape. And there's the piano hinge that I rehabbed, stripped it, painted it, relubricated it. All those little bolts have been cleaned and chased, as well as their bolt holes. I have to chase the threads on those as well. And I'll see if I can do this with one hand. spring-loaded latches just get pulled down, and then the lid drops down like that. Thanks for watching.